Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick tips for coming up with a great brand name for your Etsy store. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We're all about building successful brands online for more money, more freedom, and a better future. And currently, we're all working on building our Etsy stores up. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. And quickly, before we get started, if you're looking to build a wildly successful Etsy store with print-on-demand products, then I've actually gone ahead and filmed a 1-hour free masterclass that will show you the exact steps and processes you need to take if you want to build and grow an Etsy store with print-on-demand products to the 5 or even 6-figure level. If you are interested in that, links in the description beneath this video. So let's dive in. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my quick tips for coming up with a great store name for Etsy. And it was inspired by a conversation I had last week with someone who had recently made their first sales with their Etsy store. They were super excited about that, making these first sales. And when we was looking at where he wanted to take his store and his goals, I saw one thing that would potentially hold him back, and that was his store name. Now, obviously, I won't say what it is, but there was a problem that I saw that could have stopped him from, expanding and growing as much as he wanted to down the line, okay? And that was that his store name was based entirely around one type of product, the type of product that he'd started his store with. So, why is this a problem? Well, this leads me to my first tip for coming up with a great store name, which is you need to make sure it can grow and is scalable, okay? In other words, you don't want to come up with a name that limits you to selling one type of product, okay? When we first start out, we usually start by, trying one type of product out to sell, which is great because it means that we're laser focused. But, then we might find success with that product and we want to expand. We want to grow our stores and we might want to add new types of products to our stores in order to scale our business to the level we want. And we can't do that easily if our store name is based around one type of product. I mean, think about it. If you look at all the most successful brands that you know right now, like Apple, Microsoft, Adidas, Nike, how many brand names do you know that have their product name in their store name? They don't, okay? Because it would limit them down the line. I mean, Apple, if they were called computers, they'd find it pretty difficult to sell iPhones and vice versa, okay? So you don't want to base your name around your product. Number 2, keep it short and sweet, okay? Keep your store name short and sweet, okay? It works the best for any type of store and brand name, makes it easier to read and pronounce, and that leads me straight into tip number 3, which is that your store name needs to be memorable, okay? And what's the difference between memorable names and forgettable names? What makes one brand name stand out more and is more memorable than others. If you think about, these brand names, Apple, Coca-Cola, Nike, Adidas, Pepsi, Google, what do they have all in common, okay? They're all short, they're all easy to say, and they roll off the tongue, okay? So don't make your store names too long or complicated, or the customer won't remember it, okay? So you want to keep your store name to around 2 to 3 words, okay? So those are my 3 quick tips for coming up with a store name. Make it non-specific to the product you're selling, make it short and sweet, and make sure it's memorable. And one last bonus tip before I go. If your long-term goal is to build a big business on Etsy and even beyond Etsy and on other platforms and maybe even your own site, make sure you choose a brand name that can work beyond Etsy, something that can grow with your brand and business over time. So I hope this quick short video helped you out today if you've been struggling to come up with a name for your Etsy store. Again, as I mentioned in the start of the video, if you're interested in the next steps you need to take to build a hugely successful Etsy store with print-on-demand products, then I have put together a free 1-hour long masterclass that will show you the exact steps and processes you need to take if you want to grow your Etsy business with print-on-demand products to the 5 or even 6-figure level. If you want to check that out, links in the description below this video. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and let me know in the comments section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.